Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve merge conflicts in GitHub. When GitHub detects merge conflicts, it means that two branches change the same part of a file, and GitHub can decide whose changes to keep. To resolve this, open the pull request where the conflict occurs. In my example, there are two different outcomes coming out of a print command on the same file. That's why there are conflicts when it comes to merging. Now GitHub will display a message saying that there are conflicts that must be resolved before merging. Click Resolve Conflicts. You'll see the conflicting file sections marked with conflict indicators like arrows. You can manually edit the file to keep the correct code and then remove the markers. Once you finish reviewing and fixing the file, click Mark as Resolved. Then you can commit the merge. If the conflict itself is complex, you may need to pull the latest branch to your local machine and fix it in your code editor instead. After everything is committed, the pull request will be clear to merge, and all you have to do is just the usual merging of the code. And that's how to resolve merge conflicts in GitHub.